my room and I welcome you to the Stephen Blackwood room tour. Boosh! Let's go! This here is my bed, and as we all need, we do need sleep. So this is where we get down at the middle of the night, you know. Oh, Nigel, you're okay there, buddy? Yeah, of course you are. And nod off. And wake up at 9 o'clock in the morning. No, I do not always wake up at 9 o'clock in the morning. Every day is different here in the Stephen Blackwood room. Sometimes I'm waking up at 7 o'clock. Sometimes I'm waking up at 9:30. Sometimes I'm waking up, maybe let's say, I don't know, 8:43. You know, we'll chuck a random number in there. No. And there's a millennial pass. I hope I get to use it this year. Every day is different here, and that is the fun of it. And this is my wardrobe, where I keep my clothes. I'm trying to think which one suited me best. You know, I think I should have been wearing this one for the vlog. I think it. Don't you agree? Yeah, it's just it's right for the chin. I think, you know. So it's just very well. And you look beautiful, Stephen. Yes, I know, I do. Yeah. What is this thing up here? You know, what is this? Is this how you're meant to open your doors? Is it nowadays? You know, like, oh, whoa, that was a first attempt. Honest. And this is the cube of fate. Will I ride Wicker Man this year? The cube says yes! This has been my room tour, and I hope you have enjoyed looking at some of my little quirky collectibles, posters, passions and interests of mine. A room is meant to be personal, yours. It's kind of like your own piece of artwork that you mould together. You change and you adapt and you add in new things at different periods of life, sort of thing. You change it up a bit. And that's the best thing about a room, you know. I know this has been something a bit different. I know it's not like, you know, riding Wicker Man, or how many times I've been a Thought Park this year, or, you know, what the queue is like on Vampire. But I'm sorry, but I hope you have enjoyed this video. It's been something a bit different, and I wanted to get back onto YouTube for a while, and I thought to myself, well, let's make something personal, you know, something a bit that's, you know, represents me. So what better way than to show you my room where the Stephen Blackwood lives. I know it's not like 5-star quality, but it's a good like 3.8 at least, you know. Maybe even pump it up to a 4.1, you know. I'm not pushing out there. I'm sticking with the 3.8. This is the sort of content though that I'm probably going to be producing, like household material, and I've got a few ideas, just need to see if they can work out. But thank you very much for watching my bedroom tour. I've been Stephen Blackwood, you've been watching the Stephen Blackwood YouTube channel, and I hope to see you guys in the future when life resumes back to the way it was, and definitely when it is, then you'll be seeing me ride Saw the Ride, get on Wicker Man, get back on Icon, and definitely get on Dragon Fury more than once in a day. Find out about that though when we get to Chessington, shall we? Thank you very much, guys. I've been Stephen Blackwood. Thank you. Bye!